I'd given myself 3 days to write 3 Christmas songs to test myself as a songwriter, and I've no idea what style I'm going to write them in, but at the end of each day, no matter what state the song's in, I'm going to play it for you, so it could turn out to be pretty embarrassing if I make a mess of it. Plus I've also got work as well during the day, so that's going to make things even harder, but wouldn't be a challenge if it was easy, would it? With that being said, let's go. So I've just recorded it on the acoustic guitar with a vocal, very basic, and then I thought it sounded like it would suit a typical Christmas song with the big orchestral music in the background, like a big ensemble going on. So I've just added some cello and some violin to give the suggestion of what it would sound like as an orchestral track, and it's in 3/4 time. What is interesting about it is the chords at no point repeat themselves, so it's quite an interesting harmonic movement as the chords keep developing towards the chorus. So here it is.
Snow crunching under my foot, I guess I'm shit out of luck. There's no turning back now. Down in the hollows where we once met, all of your words in my head. Feels like it's Christmas time, taking each day, drink at a time. Feels like it's Christmas time.
Day 2 ended up being a pop punk style track. Just picked up an expensive bottle of rum for my girlfriend. Might be a lot of things, but I'm not stingy. So it started off with some guitar chords and a vocal melody over the top, and it was quite lively, so I thought it would sound good as like a rock or a punk track. And I ended up recording a pop punk style song. Plugged the electric guitar into the Marshall amplifier, got some distortion and some crunch going on the guitar, and then recorded a high energy walking bass line over the top to add some rhythm and melody to it. Did a scratchy guitar solo, and then lyrically it's pretty much got that pop punk teen angst 90s vibe about a lad who gets dumped on Christmas Day and then gets his revenge the next year. And it's just verse, chorus, bridge, outro. It's about a minute long, so enjoy.
Christmas time has come and passed. I spent the year looking in the looking glass. 'Cause last Christmas Day you said you didn't want me. Now the year has come and gone. You come around to thinking that you were wrong. You call me an outcast. Now you ask me to stay. I'm gonna get my revenge on Christmas Day. I can't wait for Christmas Day, 'cause I'm gonna blow you away. On Christmas I said kiss my ass. Walked out in the snow with my bottle of Jacks. I stole from your mom 'cause I'm all class.
So I've just finished the Christmas song. It started off sounding like this, and now it sounds like this. I've got a confession to make about the final Christmas song that you're about to hear. I'd already written the chorus for it about 2 months ago, and I just didn't have time today to write a song from scratch, so I used that and then finished the song off. Does that mean I failed, or I think not, my friend, because section 2B of the terms and conditions clearly stipulates partial songs may be used in the Christmas challenge. It's in writing. That means I won. This calls for a celebration. Hey, sometimes you've got to treat yourself, right? Tastes like apple juice. That is apple juice. I need to sort this out. Enjoy the Christmas song and Merry Christmas. Hello? Is this quality control at Teamu? Yeah. And I've got a complaint to make about a recent product I ordered. Yeah, some rum. No, this is worse than the blow up sheep incident.
In the winter, through the blizzard, you're moving, and all the years have gone too fast. Like an ancient monument, you're clinging to memories that long since passed. Don't stop, no you won't stop moving. Keep moving on, 'cause it's Christmas time again, through the holly and the frost, and you see the way it's gonna be. You've got time to work it out, 'cause it's Christmas time again. What is gone is never lost, and I know you'll find a way to take the time to work it out. Work it out. Work it out. Don't stop, no you won't stop moving. Keep moving on, 'cause it's Christmas time again, through the holly and the frost. See the way it's gonna be, and you've got time to work it out, 'cause it's Christmas time again. What is gone is never lost, and I know you'll find a way to take the time to work it out.